Alright, good morning. We're in Detroit. We're gonna deliver our second stop off here. Over here at this place here. Oh. I've been here a couple times. And there's usually trucks over there. We gotta go over there. So I gotta ask her where we gotta check in at. Daniel Watson.
You know where it is?
No, where do I need to check in at?
Okay, you see that letter K?
Yes.
You're going to pass it. You're going to make a right. You're going to build an L as in Larry. And I think Dave is around there. You can ask for Dave. I don't know if AJ got here yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you. So this place here used to be the old Massey Ferguson factory. I looked it up on Google, and they closed in the mid-'80s, I believe. But every time I come here in the morning, and the guy comes and gets you, but I've never been here where I had to check in. Oh, there's Katie. Let me find out what she wants. Oh. All right, that was Katie. She was just worried that hadn't had a load yet. We'll park right here. But where we got to go is up and around and around and around the building over there. And I've actually tried to film here a couple times, and every time, just like Katie called, every time something doesn't go right. So we're gonna go with this one now. So, but that was Katie. She wanted to know how far we wanted to deadhead. So, all right, let me go check in, find this guy, and talk to you in a bit. All right, that's the guy to unload the truck. So we are ready to go around the side of the building here. I'll put my seatbelt on just in case I crash between here and there. But we're gonna go all the way around, and we haven't seen trains for a while, and we're gonna ride right next to the train tracks. So maybe we'll see a train. Wait for the traffic here. There we go. What the guy was doing. Blinker on. No blinker on. Yeah, so this is the old Massey Ferguson tractor company. And I think they closed up in the mid-'80s and moved up to Canada, I believe. But we got to go way around the building here. Oh, the guy's parked where he's not supposed to be. There's a little bit of a train. Oh, they're unloading the, here. Let me see if I can do this right. You can see. See the big forklift right there unloading the containers? Here, you can see this one right there. See him unloading the containers. We'll let him pick him up if he can do it rather quickly. So little hooks drop down in the hole there. Man, taking a while. All right, we gotta go. He's taking a while. He might be new at it. But we got to go down this little tiny alley right here. All the way down to the end of the building down there. So I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but so he's stacking the containers up there. All right, let's speed this up a little bit here. Alright, so we've made it down to the end down here. Pull around the corner. And wait. So we'll go ahead and get the straps undone. Now once we get done here, we're going to head down to Bryan, Ohio, and pick up refractory product, which should be just big old super sacks of sand, or what looks like sand. And then that's going to Huntington, West Virginia. Alright, so we'll talk to you in a bit. It's the end of the day. We're over here in Jeffersonville, Ohio. We've been kicking butt today. We did good. We drove all the way till we didn't have any hours left. No more driving hours, so we did good. Let's see. We started the day in Sandusky, Ohio. We untarped, unloaded this morning in Sandusky. Then we unloaded part of our load, and then we ran up to Detroit, unloaded the rest, drove back down to Bryan, Ohio, reloaded and tarped, and now drove over here to Jeffersonville, Ohio. So we've been kicking butt. We've been busy. Good start to the week, so hopefully I don't jinx myself. We're gonna deliver down in Huntington, West Virginia tomorrow morning. We're reloading right where we deliver. So, and it's going back up to near Bloomington, Illinois, somewhere up there in Illinois. So that is the plan. So that'll put us back up in Wednesday morning. Is that right? Or Tuesday? Yeah, Wednesday morning up in Illinois. So we've been doing good. My logbook thing's talking to me. I don't know what the problem is with it. All right, that's it. We'll call it quits for today. You know what? Hang on. Let's go outside, take a quick look. We still got a little bit of daylight, and you can see all the reserved parking here. Then I still have to go in and pay for my reserved parking. But ooh, it's hot out here. Let's go. So we ended up getting big bags of sand. They call it a refractory product, but that's what it is big bags of sand. Nothing too crazy, but so anyway, you can see all the parking, and this is why I don't mind paying for parking, because I knew I could get here and get a parking spot. So everything looks good. So that's our load. Tomorrow morning we got about 2 hours down to Huntington, and then we'll reload right in Huntington. So real quick, I had a lot of people comments on the generator, ask what does it do. The generator provides electricity to run my air conditioning and my heater. I had people ask what's the difference between a generator and an APU. An APU is an auxiliary power unit. They both do the same thing. They provide power for heating and cooling. There are two different systems. Some systems have a 110 to operate the air conditioner. Other systems have like a small automotive air conditioning system with a compressor, condenser, and all that other stuff. So anyway, that's real quick. All right, let's end it before I get too talky. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.